Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NLNK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Quite the movement, not necessarily just today, but really the past couple of weeks, ever since it peaked out right here. Price has really rolled back over in a very severe way. And then, of course, you just look at today in and of itself. Volume spiked back up, and then from there, like I said, just a nasty day, and that's what's putting the price now at some very interesting areas as far as the chart is concerned. The big dynamic that happened today was that the price broke down below this very historic area of support right here at $1.28. If you go back through the history of things, you can see did a good job of acting as support right there. But today the price ultimately did break down below it. And this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, so I don't want to come across like this is some sort of special skill I have and nobody else has noticed this stuff. Quite the opposite, actually. I assure you, people that use charts and understand charts have taken notice of this and are wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same thing and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's what we have right here. The price is now broken below this very historic area of $1.28. So now the question becomes, is this the start of something much bigger, or is this a situation where the price is going to exhaust itself to the downside, get some sideways price movement, and then work its way back upwards? Because it's, like I said, very, very quote unquote famous area as far as the chart is concerned in terms of generated bounces. But as of right now, because the price closed below it, this would now need to be considered an area of resistance, and that's just basic technical analysis there. When levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, so that's what we have here. In the event this is some sort of bottom and the price snaps back upwards, next key level of support after that would be, next key level of resistance after that would be up there at the $1.40 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, essentially it's kind of in no man's land down here. Sure, the price did bounce off of $1.21, so technically speaking, you could consider $1.21 a level of support since that's where the price bounced off of today. But if you go back through the history of things, then as you see here, it's just simply that the price has never been down this low, or if it has, it's been years upon years since the last time I got that low. So like I said, no man's land in the sense of where the support levels are at. But what makes this interesting is it's not like it, totally closed, 20 cents below this $1.28 mark. It's definitely within the area where the price could very well kind of exhaust itself to the downside, go sideways, and then show some signs of life to the upside. So definitely one that I'm going to keep an eye on, and we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.